Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Let's do an unboxing on this Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we gotta tear these on both sides. This is the Pro Max. We're gonna do an unboxing and see exactly what comes in the box. All right, be careful. These phones like to fall out if you don't open them correctly. All right, so here's the phone. Okay, so let's see, we got some instructions. Now we have USB-C to USB-C. That's the cable we have. It seems like a pretty nice cable. That's all that comes in the box. There's not that little thing to open up the SIM card. There is no SIM card on this. It's an eSIM card. So see the side, no SIM card, nothing to poke in to pull the tray out. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Cameras look like. All right. Power button, volume buttons, and that's the, okay, so the do not disturb looks like it's a push button now instead of an up down button. USB-C, this is not a lightning cable anymore. So in order to charge the phone, you are going to have a power supply. You're going to have to plug this in to USB-C, and now either end of this cable, both of these are identical now. USB-C, that's where you're going to plug it in to charge it right there. You can plug it in either way. Speakers, close-up of the cameras that are really sticking out far. So we do get the Apple sticker. Not. It says you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during phone setup. And this is just safety in hand, nothing too important here. So that's it. That's all that comes in the box. Cable and phone and sticker. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.